thank you, and congratulations. Pwede bang palakpakan natin kayo lahat? Congratulations, because it's really been a hard struggle and continuing struggle. Musa is not in Musa. Yeah, it's a continuing thing, right? And you have to be strong. You just have to be strong because we do have a lot of support with you. And I think this is a very clear victory for Coco. Coco actually should be very, very happy with this. And the fact that the Supreme Court ruled as null and void the audacity of some governor out there in the South to declare, emergency rule is enough victory for the people who have been struggling for justice and freedom and democracy, not just in Sulu, but in the whole country. So the citizens of the 79 provinces can rest assured that no despotic governor would dare declare emergency rule, because we have the Supreme Court to give it to their face, to tell them about it. And then secondly, of equal significance, and maybe of greater significance, because this is a problem that has been with us historically and structurally, is the dismantling of private rights. One of the sources of human rights violations in the country today is the presence of private assures that the Ulawi case is integral to the work that is being fully supported and worked for by CHR at the national level. Kasi yung people came. I still look forward to the day when Robin Padilla and I can go to Sulu to talk to Governor Sukuta. Because sinabi niya, ito ang gusto niya. So thank you very much.